Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VEL Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. We're going to jump right into it. This is going to be a really quick video, and today we're going to be making us a turkey and Swiss melt. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this. We got some Texas toast bread. And we have some Chipotle sauce. This is one by Taco Bell's. So that's going to be the sauce that's going to go on it. We're going to start by getting us some bread out. We're about making probably 4 of these sandwiches today. Put our turkey over here. This turkey is by Hillshire Farm. Alright. So we just want to put the bread all out. Excuse me. Just like so. We're going to take us some of this. We're just going to put us a little bit on there. We don't want our bread too wet. I made one earlier today, and that's why I said I'm going to go ahead and make one for you guys. And you guys new here, consider subscribing to the channel. Putting up recipes 3 times a week or more. So we get us some Swiss cheese. I left my Swiss cheese out so it can melt easier, just like this. And it was pretty good, if I do say so myself. It was alright. I was gonna do the mushroom and Swiss cheese turkey melt. I decided to go with just the turkey melt. So you gotta make sure your hands are really clean when you're doing this. So put you some meat on there. Probably like 4 slices. A sandwich. Now if you want to put you some Swiss, I mean not no Swiss, but some grilled onions. Tastes awesome. Right there. There should be 4. Take our bottom pieces, go on there. Like so. And I'm going to go ahead and take this over there, and I'll be back. Just like that. Alright. Take our sandwiches. We'll lay them bad boys on there. Like that. We just let them bad boys cook up some. I have some spray butter. I'll put some of that on there. You guys need to invest in some of this. It's by Crisco. Okay? It's good. Super good. So, just gonna let that cook. We're gonna smash it down and all that good stuff. It's like that. Smash them down. We'll let that cook. Give it a second and turn it over. Till then, I'll be back. Okay guys, let's just flipped it. Let's spray this down a little bit more. Let that cook. We just want to cook nice and slow. We don't want to burn up anything. Alright. So we just smash down on it. Starting to get there. Take a look, see? It's getting brown. That's for sure. Yeah, that one looking. Yeah, he's getting there. Okay, guys. I turn it again in a minute. I'll be back. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and check on this. Yep, that's how we want it. Just like that. Turn that over. These gonna take a little longer. The eye over there is smaller, so I had to turn that one up just a tad. So that's how you want it though, right there. Just like that. We'll check it out, see what we got there. Not yet. Switch these around. Nice little treat. It'll be summertime, winter time, whatever time. Nice little treat for you. That's how you want it. Just like that. And when you put them onions and mushrooms and stuff on there, little extra Swiss cheese, oh my goodness, you're gonna pass out. Literally pass out. Okay, so total cooking time on this, probably about 5 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these over there and show you how they look in a minute. Okay guys, that's it. Turkey Swiss melt right there with chipotle sauce. Alright, so we're gonna name this a Chipotle turkey and Swiss melt. You heard me, a Chipotle turkey and cheese melt. I said turkey and cheese, turkey and Swiss melt. That's it right there, ladies and gentlemen. That's it all day. I'll go ahead and bite one of these. See that oozing out of there? Looks delicious. Oh man, I Chipotle really do something. It does a whole lot to this animal. With the Swiss cheese too, and that turkey. This is just oven and roasted. But if you have like some mesquite, try with the mesquite turkey. It would be awesome. This is good by itself. Want a bite? Oh, I'm sorry. You can bite that piece right there. There you go. I'm so selfish. I should let y'all bite it first. I'm sorry. It's good. Get you a little bag of chips. with some French fries. You straight. This is a good lunchtime meal. We'll go ahead and wrap it up. So I really appreciate you guys been tuning in to my videos, making these recipes together, and hopefully we can continue to make these recipes. Okay? So please tell all your friends and family to subscribe to this channel where we keep it real at. And I promise you, I ain't gonna change at all. Okay, I may change for the better, but I won't be, you know, bougie and all that old stupid stuff. I ain't got time for that, you know. And remember, we all are one race. And guess what that is? The human race. We're not black, white, Mexican, Puerto Rican, and none of that. We are a human race. So keep that in mind. Alright, so saying that to say this, VEL Dogg love you all. And I'm thankful for you all to tune in to my channel every week. Okay? And so make sure you have them people come and subscribe and support your boy. VEL Dogg signing out.